I love Saturdays, the quiet, the stillness, and the calming presence of plants. Every leaf, a reminder to slow down. Today's a perfect Saturday, just me, my book, and the serenity of nature indoors. Surrounded by life and the presence of the Holy Spirit, I find peace and a little inspiration. Sometimes it's the smallest things that make the biggest difference. So peaceful. Let nature you. Click that thumbs up if these plants are giving you life. Which plants still your heart? You got to comment down below and let me know your favorite. And don't forget to like, share, and follow for part 2. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. As always, stay loving, be kind, and I'll see you in my next video. Blessings.